Okay, so I'm trying something new. Um, so I have my trying to focus. I have my HD1 from Rotorite, and the capacitor's positive lead came undone earlier this past week, and I thought I fixed it, but it came undone again today, and I just learned a very valuable lesson. So, pardon the mess. Okay, so here I've got, again, pardon the mess. Here I have my HD1 from Rotorite, and this is where the capacitor is. So I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera. It's probably a little too close to focus, but you can tell there. Get a little nudge. Both leads are doing fine. I'm super stoked because I just learned a very valuable lesson. So this is my TS 100 soldering iron. I got this the other day. It was an upgrade from my butane soldering iron that I had from Dremel. Now, that soldering iron did a great job for, I guess, general purposes, for general soldering. I had done other stuff with it, and it works just fine. But I noticed when it came to soldering on my drones, I got crappy results. And like results that I felt bad about. Like, I looked up a ton of videos on how to solder, and I thought I was doing everything right, and still time after time, like, I was getting just really, really poor results. And then I used this guy, and I cranked my temperature setting up to about 380 Celsius, which is what I looked up, and it said was a recommended temperature for soldering on drones. And I got such a good solder. It was almost instant. Like, I'm so happy. You probably can't tell, but yeah, I'm so stoked. It was almost instant. It made soldering such a breeze, and I just wanted to share that so I can look back on this and think to myself, well, yeah, it was easy. I was using the appropriate temperature. So that's really it. I've got some footage to share. I might go flying again tomorrow just to make sure everything's okay. But if not, I'm flying on Monday or Tuesday out in the beach. I really, really just want to make sure I'm not going to crash or do anything stupid. But yeah, that's a quick little update. I guess this is where I'll add footage. Actually, or should I add it in the beginning? But we'll add it at the end. So yeah, that's just a quick little update on my drone and I guess just soldering, or at least my learning experience with soldering. Here's some footage from this past, you know what? Not just past week. I've done some flying. I've been meaning to just make a video at the end of every month of just some of the things I've done, because I don't necessarily think that my flying is so good that I need to make a video after every single time I go. So here's just like a quick compilation.
Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, make a wish. Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, make a wish. Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, make a wish. Little boy, little girl, you define it as girl, put your hand in the girl, you can touch the world. I said dream, sitting right here in your pocket. They cloud on your passion for profit and lock it up deep in a closet. And it's okay if you a novice. Just surround yourself with folks who hold you close and really don't take no nonsense. I heard that you grew up in the projects, had a dream you could taste like chocolate, but your friends they drop like faucet, and you see in the coffins too often. So you're stuck in a world that you're lost in. You withdraw the soul that you deposit, and I know that you're rolling with caution, and I know that your homies were coughing, and they want you to cough too. But know that dream is lost too. I know it seems it's all cool, but know this road is your rule. So hold this poem as your pool, then you can jump in when you need to, and when you're in the water you can dream too. Plan it out and pick your team, then execute it by all means. Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, make a wish. Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, make a wish. Dream on, dream on, dream on, dream on, make a wish. Little boy, little girl, you define it as girl, put your hand in the girl, you can touch the world. If you in the back of the room with a dream so strong, put your hands up high. If you in the front of the room with a passion is booming, I'm your guy. What did you do after yawning? Did you eat breakfast this morning? Did you make a list that you're scoring? Did you learn something that's foreign? I know I hold my thoughts in books that only me, myself, can look inside. And though I thought the lonely ride was shaky, time forsake me. Everybody say dreams, everybody say goals, everybody say passion. We improving everything lacking, I'm feeling wonder. Everybody say fool. I'm on the rope to my dreams that only I pull, and only I grow.